Hi, this is Wylock second grade, lesson 9, and we're beginning with fact family. Write the fact family for the set of numbers. So number 1, we have 8, 3, and 1, right? And we first used the add-ins, so we're doing addition. 8 plus 3 equals, we used 8, we used 3. What do we have left? We have 11 left, right? So we're going to put 11. And now they switched the order of the add-ins, but it's still the same because we used 3, we used 8, so that's going to be 11. Also, when we switch the order of two add-ins, the sum is still going to be the same, so we know that it's still going to be 11. Now, for the next part, we have 11 minus 8. So when we cross them out, we used 11, we used 8. What do we have left? We have 3 left. So we put 3. And now this time, it's 11 minus 3. So 11 minus 3 equals 8. Sorry, that's 8. Okay, now we're going to try number 4. We have 3 numbers, 2, 8, and 10. Now the first thing we have to do is find the greatest number. Which one is the greatest? You know that 10 is the greatest number, right? So we're going to use 2 and 8 as our add-ins because 10 is the greatest number and the greatest number should be the sum, right? So 2 plus 8, we first put our add-ins, and then now we put the sum. We're going to write the sum, which is 10. And when we look at number 1, we can see that they switched the orders, right? So we're going to also switch the orders of the two add-ins. So we're going to put 8 first, and then 2. And as I already said, the sum is going to be the same. Now, the next part, we're going to first write the greatest number. We start with the greatest number, which is 10. And that is also going to be 10. That's also going to be 10. And 10 minus, now we use one of the add-ins. Let's say that we start with 8. So what's 10 minus 8? We have 2 left, right? So we're going to put 2. And the next part, here when we look at it, we use one of the add-ins and then we use another number. So for us, since we used 8 already, we're going to now use 2. So we put 2 equals, so we use 2 and we use 10, so we have 8 left. 8. So that's our answer. Now, the next one, we have mixed review, solve. Number 1, we have 5 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's 5 plus 6? Here we had 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. Now, number 2, we have 2 minus 0. Any number minus 0 is the same number, so we know that it's going to be 2. Number 4, we have 12 minus 2. So we put 12 minus 2. What is 2 minus 2? It's 0. And when we put this one, we're going to have 10 because we don't have any numbers here, right? So the answer is 10. Now, let's try one more. We have number 19, 13 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, and the 1 comes down. That's going to be 16. So the answer for number 19 is going to be 16. Now, the next one, we have fact families. Write the fact family for each question. Anne pulls 12 cubes out of a bag. 7 cubes are pink and 5 cubes are green. So this is the same thing that we did from page 1. So first she pulls 12 cubes out of a bag and 7 cubes are pink and 5 cubes are green, right? We know that 12 is the greatest number, so we're going to use the other two numbers as our add-ins, 7 and 5. 7 plus 5 equals, now we use 12, that's the greatest number. And now we switch the order, so 5 plus 7 is 12. And the next part we have to start with, since it's subtraction, we have to start with the greatest number, which is 12. 12 minus, now we use one of the add-ins. We're going to use 7 first, which equals 5 because we have 5 left. And now we switch orders. We put 5 first, and the answer would be 7. Okay, we do the same thing for the rest. And number 1 for word problems, Noah had 15 gummy bears. He gave 8 of them to his sister and ate the rest. How many gummy bears did Noah eat? So he had 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count. 4 plus 3, that's 7. So we put 7 gummy bears. Okay, thank you.